Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to start the cooling load calculation. So you can see here this is the HAP software. So you can go to the project, click on new project, then go to the general. So you have to select here the measurement of units. So here you can see here two options is given. One is the English system and second one is silent. So select anyone. It's up to you. So I'm going to select English system. And here you can see the preferences applying the hourly analysis program here toolbar and status. So all toolbar is required and operating the energy analysis I don't want, so I want to uncheck, then go to the project. Okay, then you can select here the SRS ventilation standard, which is SRS 62.1. Click OK. Then here you can see this is the list tree view and this is the list view. So the tree view, left click and then right click, go to the property and you can see here project name. So you have to enter here project name, Luandry project. Okay, click OK. If you want to enter all these remaining data, you can fill it, otherwise click OK. And then let me check it is recording or no. Yes, it is running. So now you can go to the weather. Here click on weather and double click here weather properties, and then you have to select the region. So I'm going to select here the design parameter region is USA. So here I'm going to select Middle East, and the location is United Arab Emirates, and then here is Dubai. And according to these three data, all the remaining data will be selected by software. Then click OK. Then next you have to select here, go to the project library, create the schedule. So double click here on the new schedule. So here you have to select the schedule, which is the schedule is required. So I will create the schedule people. Go to the hourly profile, select profile 1, assignment, select all, click OK. Next I'm going to select duplicate this. I'm going to select the lighting schedule. Lighting and schedule type is fractional. Click on profile 1, assign all this. OK. The next schedule is equipment. So just duplicate and click here equipment. And schedule type is fractional again. Then go to the profile, select profile 1, select all these, click OK. And next schedule is thermostat. So again duplicate, schedule type is TS, which is called thermostat schedule. Schedule type, this type is not a fractional, this type is fan thermostat. So you have to select this. Go to the profile 1, select profile 1, and here select this, click OK. Now you have to select, you have to save your project. So I'm going to click on save, and you can see here the save project as the project name is now the project. Okay, and now click on save. So your project has been saved. Now next step is value. So in the project library itself, you go to the wall, click on wall and double click on new wall. Okay, so new default wall. So here you can see the new default wall. Okay, so here I'm going to create the wall. So outside wall, outside wall. Okay, this project I will make the video part by part because it will takes time. So video will be longer. So because of this, will create a number of part for this project. Okay. So your outside wall, and for this one you have to create the U value for the wall. So here select inside surface space, then 18 common brick. Okay, and then this U value is actually provided by the civil people. So whenever you are working on your project, you have to ask for the layer of the wall, okay, from the civil people. Otherwise, I have one here the U value sheet. I'm going to use this. So here you can see the layer. So here is inside outside 1 inch outside surface resistance. So here is 1 inch inside and outside already here given. So next is 0.5 inch plaster cement. So I'm going to select 0.5 inch plaster, okay, cement. The thickness is 0.5. Density is 116.25. So here density is 11, density 116.25. Okay, next is your R value. R value is 0.1. R value is 0.1. Okay. The next layer is 8-inch concrete block. So you have to select 8-inch concrete block here. 8 inch. Then density of the block is 84.37. 84.37. Next R value. So R value will be 10.128. 10.128. Okay, next layer is 0.5-inch plaster cement. So here you have to create the next layer, which is 0.5-inch plaster again. Okay, so for the plaster here 0.5, density of the plaster is 116.3, and the U value is 0.1 again, 0.1, and that's it. Okay, so this here is not required, so you have to select, click here, you can remove this. Okay, now you can see 0.08 overall U value is 0.08. Here you can see 0.089, so almost same. Now click OK. So again you have to click on save. So your all U value is created. Now you have to create the roof. So click on roof, double click here, and here you can see roof. Okay. So for the roof you have to go to this roof U value. This layer will be provided by civil people. Okay, so architectural people. You have to ask for the actual project, you have to use your UV. Okay, so at this moment I'm going to use this for the reference. So 1 inch outside surface resistance, then sandstone. Next layer is sandstone. Okay, what will be the density of the sandstone, which is 125 pounds per square feet. 125. The thickness is 2 inch. Okay, sandstone 2 inch thickness. And density is 125. So here thickness is 2, density is 125. Okay, and R value is 0.231. 0.231. Next layer is 0.5 inch plaster cement. So here 0.5 plaster cement. So thickness is 0.5. Density of plaster 116.25. 116.25. Okay, next is your R value. So R value will be 0.2. Okay, so here 0.2. The next layer is the extruded polyester insulation. Extruded polyester insulation. Okay, extruded polyester insulation. The thickness will be 2 inch. R value density is 2. So thickness is 2 inch. Density is 2. Okay, then R value will be 9.5. 9.5. Okay. Next layer is, you can see here, lightweight concrete. So here you can add this. Here you can add insert. Okay, one more insert. So next is lightweight concrete. Thickness is 2 inch. Lightweight concrete. Thickness is 2 inch. Density of concrete is 100. And R value is 0.3. Here 0.3. 0.344. Next layer is reinforced concrete. So reinforce concrete. Okay, the thickness 8 inch and 150 density. So thickness is 8, density is 150, and R value is 0.624. 0.624. Next layer is 0.5 inch plaster. So 0.5 inch plaster. 0.5 inch plaster. Zero point 0.5, 116.3, and then R value is 0.2. Okay, that's over. So you can check here the 0.087, the overall value. So here again the software is calculating 0.083, almost same. Now click OK. Now your U value is created. You have to save your project. Next you have to create the spaces. So space will be created in the next tutorials because the video will be very lengthy. So I'm going to stop here, and we'll continue the space, creating the spaces in the next tutorial. So please be with me and keep watching my videos. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.